I am starting all over again in Grow a Garden, and this time around I will be cooking recipes. Yes, guys, I am super fascinated with the recipes that Grow a Garden can cook. As you can see, I already have my ingredient board, I have my gigantic pot to cook, and I also have my timer. Yes, guys, what better way it is to create amazing content cooking newly produced fruits by myself. So I'm going to go to my garden at the back, yes, my farm, and I'm going to be picking different fruits, different plants, and I'm going to be mixing all of these plants together to see which one of them will bring out amazing cooking recipes so that you guys can also take from these recipes and start cooking. So for those of you who do not know what a recipe is, let me just show you. As you can see here, guys, there are different recipes. Look at this, is a cake I made, and this particular cake is my all-time favorite because this cake is valued at 368 million. Yes, so definitely this is one cake that I absolutely love. And look at what I used in making this cake. These are the things I'm going to be showing you and more as we start the cooking recipe. You do not want to miss out on this. Subscribe to this channel if cooking recipes are something you love, because you can actually translate all of these things in your real kitchen. Yes, I have the candy apple, the corn dog, the donuts, the porridge, the salad, the sandwich, the smoothie, the soup, and the sushi. So guys, buckle your seatbelt. Every day I will be cooking up a storm. Another storm I am absolutely in love with, guys, is this watermelon recipe. Yes, I cooked up a watermelon recipe. Look at this, guys. I used the divine beanstalk, canary melon, golden egg, watermelon to create a watermelon smoothie. And guess what, guys? You won't believe this. This watermelon is what? 100 million. Yes, guys. So these are the things and more that we are going to be doing on this channel. So if cooking, farming, and all the amazing food items is your thing, all you need to do is subscribe and every day come check out a new cooking recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I absolutely love you.